In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect LAN cable to PlayStation 4 IP address. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a LAN cable to connect your PlayStation 4 to the internet, and then how to set up any IP address of your choice. So to do this, first grab a LAN cable. Any generic LAN cable will do, and you will plug one end of the cable into the PlayStation 4 and the other one into a router that is connected to the modem. So the connection is going to look something like this. The router will have a cable on one of its ports that is going over to the PlayStation 4. And of course, in order for the router to be properly connected to the internet, it needs to be connected to the modem. So once you have everything wired up and good to go, then you can go into your PlayStation 4 and access the settings. Inside of the PlayStation 4 settings, go to the network category, choose Set Up Internet Connection, and now choose Use a LAN cable. You will be guided through the process, and if you are able to choose between Easy or Custom Connection, make sure that you choose a custom connection. So if you select Easy, a lot of these options, including the IP address, will not be available for you to customize. Upon selecting Custom, you will go through all of the steps, and eventually you will reach IP address settings. In here, you can select Manual or PPPoE, and then configure it however you prefer. You can also choose the option to use a proxy server where you can input the address and the port number. So set it up according to your preferences. Make sure that you don't choose automatic if you have a specific one that you would like to input, but as long as you choose custom, you will be guided through the process, and it is very intuitive. You will have a bunch of options including proxy. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you set up your LAN connection on a PlayStation 4, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.